Now we have to talk about skeletal system. Okay, and prior to it I was telling about bones, and now I am using the term system. Why I am telling the system? Okay, system means the small portions, small parts are joined together and they are performing the similar function. They are performing the similar functions. And so when they organized in a proper way, they become a system. So here all the bones are organized in a proper way. They are performing many of the functions together. That's why we are calling skeletal system. Okay, so just now I told you, if there is no bones in the body, what would happen? Our body will be shapeless. Only that will turn into a heap of muscles, tissues. Okay, so the major function of the skeletal system is to give shape, support to the body. It gives support to the body and the basic structure. Okay, the basic structure and support. Next is, because inside our body there are many delicate organs like our brain, our heart, our kidney, liver. So many of the delicate organs are there. They are enclosed inside the skeletal system. So this way, the second function of the skeletal system is to protect the internal organs, and they attach with the muscles. Bones are attached with the muscles. Okay, this way they give movement to the body. Bones alone cannot move till muscles are not there. Okay, so along with the muscles they move our body, and the long flat bones are there in the body. Inside these bones there is jelly like structure which is called as bone marrow. What we call bone marrow. And the function of bone marrow is to form the blood. Okay, so 3-4 major functions I told you. It provides shape to the body, protect the internal organ, help in movement, formation of blood. And the bones, all the bones are made up of calcium, phosphorus and collagen. Calcium, phosphorus and collagen. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, now we'll move parts of a skeleton. Parts of a skeleton. Different parts are there. Okay, and the whole skeleton can be divided into 5 parts. The whole skeleton can be divided into 5 parts. And what are they? The head portion, that is skull. Head portion is skull. Backbone. You can feel the backbone. If you touch your back, there is a bone in the middle of your back. That is backbone. It's vertebral column. It is called as vertebral column. Okay, and if you touch your chest, several bones you can feel. These bones forms the rib cage. These bones forms the rib cage. Next is limbs. We have 4 limbs. 2 forelimb and 2 hind limbs. Forelimbs means they are hands, are arms, and hind limbs means they are legs. Girdles, pelvic region, okay, on which we sit, hip region. So 5 main portions are there: skull, head portion, vertebral column, backbone, rib cage that forms the chest, and limbs, legs and hands, girdles, hip region. Okay, this way we can divide the skeletal system into 5 parts. Okay, next we'll take all the portions, all the parts one by one. So first one is skull. First one is skull. Skull forms head of the body. It forms head of the body. This one. Can you see the picture here? Yes. Okay. And our skull is made up of 22 bones. How many? 22 bones. And in these 22 bones, 14 bones make up the facial region. Face region. Okay. So 14 bones are making our face, and rest of the 8 bones make up our head portion, the upper part of the head, that is called as cranium. That is called as cranium. And all the 8 bones are joined each other as we make the jigsaw puzzles. Okay, they make up the cranium portion. 8 bones are making cranium. Okay, so and inside the cranium our brain is enclosed in that. Okay, now function of skull. What the skull does? First of all the bones are giving proper shape. In the same way, skull is also giving shape to the face, and it is giving space to eyes, ears, nose, okay, mouth. Watch this picture carefully. There are 2 holes for eyes. Okay, and you can see now. Yes, so it is giving space to fix eyes, ears, nose and mouth. And as I told you, inside the cranium brain is enclosed, so it is protecting the brain. Okay, and it is also protecting eyes, inner part of ear, nose and tongue. And you will be amazed to know that out of 22 bones, only 1 bone is movable. As we are talking, keep your hand here below the chin. What you feel? Only chin part is movable. So in the skull only 1 bone is movable, and that is lower jaw. That is lower jaw. Okay, so I think this is sufficient for today. Read the same pages as I told you and watch the pictures carefully. Whatever diagrams are given, try to understand the fact, and you can ask the queries. You can send your queries to me, and that's all for today. Okay, take care. Bye. तनु छत्तीस बार भौंक चुकी हूँ, इसमें मेमोरी नहीं है बनी हुई, रिकॉर्डिंग भी नहीं हो रही। 6 बार तो बस एक ही बहुत भेज दे रही मैं, तो क्या करूँ मैं।
तो एक तो हुई हुई थी,
वो तो शो ही नहीं हो रही थी, तो
दूसरी हो जाए।
एक 7 मिनट की बनी है बस, वही भेज दे रही हूँ, लिख दे रही हूँ।
क्या जरूरी है?
नहीं रोना क्यों है? चलिए, मेरा पता नहीं क्या भर गया इसमें, ऐसा तो कुछ है भी नहीं।